Hello everyone, Namaste. In this video, we're gonna learn how to drop back with mindfulness and chakrasana to going to the handstand without jerk, with step by step. It is very important for everyone that if you want to improve your flexibility, there is a many way to improve the flexibility. But remember, when you transition from the chakrasana to the arm balance, we should not have any jerk, and just try your best. Step by step is better. Try to work with the foundation. In my online courses, classes, everywhere I teach the proper foundation so everybody can practice just like I'm doing right now. It is very important to work with your awareness. And if you have any comment, any question, anything to ask, feel free to ask and let me know how you like this video. Namaste.